In case you hadn't heard, Manus is the new AI tool taking the internet by storm. There's just one problem. It's invite only right now, and people are paying ridiculous amounts of money just to access it. But what if I told you there's a few things you could do to increase your chance of getting an invite? First, go to the Manus AI website and click Get Started. Since it's invite only, you'll need to apply for access. Enter your email, and this is really important. Explain exactly how you plan to use Manus. The better your response, the higher your chances of getting in. Next, head over to the official Manus AI Discord server, Twitter, and Reddit. These platforms sometimes drop free invite codes, and engaging with the community could increase your chances of getting one. Some early users even have referral codes, and AI-focused forums like this one on Reddit often share them. And if you're a content creator, developer, or researcher, you can even reach out to Manus support for priority access. Still no luck? Don't give up. Stay active in the AI communities, because the more engaged you are, better your chances. Let me know in the comments. Have you managed to get access to it? Oh, and while you're here, check out this video on why people are paying crazy amounts of money for Manus.